Alright, let's look at number 9 in this same lesson, lesson 5. And they want us to determine the value of b once again, so that the function is continuous everywhere. I don't like the way he worded that, but whatever. So if it's continuous everywhere, that means that whatever these two lines take on, they have to meet everywhere, and since they have a division here at positive 2, we're going to follow this rule when we're less than 2, or equal to 2. And when we're greater than 2, we're going to follow the bottom linear rule, which is negative x minus 1. It's greater than 2. So we're really concerned what happens at 2. Well, clearly the only thing that we can't figure out is this top function, because it has the b in there, right? But can we plug in 2 for the second equation? So we have negative 2 minus 1, and so that would equal, of course, negative 3. So we know that when we're greater than 2, we're going to be down here at negative 3. And so I will indicate that with an open circle, and the slope would be down 1 over 1. So it's going to look something like this, approximately. And we need to match these two things up. So let's take a look at this right here. We have 3x plus our missing number, and if it's going to be continuous, then it has to equal what? It has to equal this negative 3 value when we're at x equals 2 right here. So let's go ahead and just put that in. We need it to equal negative 3. So if we multiply this, we get 6 plus b equals negative 3. Subtract 6, and you get the value of b has to equal negative 9. So let's put this b back into our equation right up here. It will be 3x plus b, or simply 3x minus 9, right? Plus a negative 9, same thing. So at negative 9, I didn't draw my graph long enough. We're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's my intercept, and it has a slope of 3. Let's use a different color. Let's use black, I suppose. So this equation would do what? Now it would look like this. And this would now be solid, right? Let's double check that. If we have 3x minus 9, and at 2, we want it to equal negative 3. And certainly it does. So looks like we found out the value of b on that one. So give number 10 a shot, and we'll probably talk about it in class tomorrow. Okay, signing out here.